It's been 75 years since the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Convention on Genocide. The Fletcher Free Library in the Queen City decided to celebrate with a diverse group of panelists. Our Jessica Tara reports.
Mark Ottinger is an attorney fighting for international human rights, which brings him to the Fletcher Free Library.
I've been heading up the efforts to try and finally realize, in other words, create a World Court of Human Rights, something that's been talked about since 1947.
In honor of the 75th anniversaries of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and the Convention on Genocide, a group of activists discussed a variety of topics, including the human rights crisis in the Middle East.
If you look at the situations that we suffer through year after year, month after month, currently, Gaza and Ukraine, just to mention two that are in the top of the news.
Ottinger says he hopes there are improvements within the court system.
We really need a court system that can speak intelligently about public international law as it relates to human rights.
And he acknowledges changes will not be made overnight.
Creating this network of human rights internationally is a slow process.
But he says it's a rewarding feeling to spread his knowledge in his home.
This is great. I mean, I've spoken in Ottawa, I've spoken in Washington, D.C. Burlington's my home. I essentially could have walked to the site today. It's great to be here, great to have a celebration of the Universal Declaration.
As for organizer Robin Lloyd, she cites this discussion to be educational.
Well, this is an incredibly important event, not only because it's the 75th anniversary of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, but it's occurring at this moment in history where human rights are being challenged around the world.
Panelists say they hope they can make a difference and see changes in the future. Reporting in Burlington, Jessica Tara, Channel 3 News.